code of conduct and our chief justice.
Okay.
Our chief justice no week we and Felix Kwacho the chief government communication of the 2 years committee in start to Majuma Thursday. Now what man for busams the chief justice then a better than the way that our article 1466 no. And a train ye busy. Or see, when a petition is for the removal of the Chief Justice, the President shall, in consultation with the Council of State, appoint a committee consisting of 2 justices of the Supreme Court, one of whom shall be appointed chairman by the President, and 3 other persons who are not members of the Council of State, nor President, nor Parliament, nor members of Parliament or lawyers. It's justice for me or hono, and then a pen or the course. A constitution in Chasse committee near the best say chief justice ye na de anya se ye na di no e say 2 justices and quality akoko na ba ko me se me ne ana adwen no na akoko e be kwaje jan to di e se me no nkotena pa no ne so
wonzi na nya obedi
it doesn't make sense.
Sure.
7 said the committee appointed under clause 6 of this article shall inquire into the petition and recommend to the president whether the chief justice ought to be removed. It's a committee way. Omo started to attend. Omo na be kire sa maame no ye be yi na di ankasa anya se yi na di. So ekokwa madwuma no omo be ye no. Very significant.
Sure.
It means that the fate of Justice Gertrude Tokonu is in the hands of the Justice Gabriel Scott Forman Committee. According to Article 1467. No. 18 is all proceedings under this article shall be held in camera. Akoko ni this article be say Chief Justice and Kebenya and Kenyi TV so. Ye hunti say when so lawyers in any their constitution is clear. Or say sa process when ya obroni kan in camera. Awo kan in camera before kakaka ni nya kire say ya na dem.
Obia
first am shop na me kan in camera the next obe he camera no aka wasem. Yes say na kire o mra mu ni say in camera just ya na dem.
A lawyer for you.
But to be krum na kokwa we nya bia shall not be held in camera. Na in camera na confuse you pass hard.
Confuse you.
Or say and the justice or chairman against whom the committee against whom the petition is made is entitled to be heard in his defense by himself or a lawyer. It's a lawyers na air kono. Yatiti dino. Chief Justice should be called because akokwa say law of natural justice. Akokwa esi we microphone esi ebusa wo. Akokwa afa ya mpa. Na afa na nti na afa. Esi etio. Ebia ne nti a wo fa ye no. Na important. So, sa Madam Tokonu or the lawyer for be the chair committee na nim. Na committee na busa no. Petitioner wan say why you say you mama. Sa na ye. Na the lawyers are guide no. Petitioner number 2 esi say no why you no so ma guide no. 1468 no say and 9, the president shall in each case act in accordance with the recommendation of the committee. Law for someone the shall by a mandamus. Now, the committee in the Babano, a young president to be so. Tina Meka say, Madame Tokonu, the Sabre, as a justice for my committee, and said, because I'm recommending a dia, as a unity. I'm recommending I say a reinstating, I say Mahama reinstating. And which are process the crown, the president largely do not have much say. Yes, or say 1416 or say when a petition has been referred to a committee under this, the president may send a make and suspend the committee any idea. And again, Levin said the president may at any time revoke a suspension under this article. Now, some I mean I have suspended and if finito.
President beat me
yes, even class a committee in the job, because oh, you tabu na free so that is the state of the issue.
Right.
I told me some kakra wo hu ne. Now kwakwa on yenua sameje mfe ono akofa trend we yaba. Na unse meseda na akokwa ye code of conduct no. Na me catch so edoso pa edoso. Na akokwa edoso because niema na president mama person avoid no. Edoso me ni ukom. I think so let me just wrap it for you.
Okay.
Akwa na bi buza say oh then the best senior the president mama in section 6 of the code of conduct no. 66 pages edoso say uburichi sa niema ya me no kan ye nto hampa mamanfo ye nye gift before gifts 200,000 one country committee a secretary of cabinet na the person keep as president mo approve na sa de ni nyina no wan ni so na ubirichi a ade we ni beto.
Right.
If a minister engages in conduct that is in the conduct that prima facie constitutes a breach of any rule in this handbook, the president shall determine at his or her discretion the course of action that shall be taken. The action may include that may include but not limited to requiring the minister to render an apology. And to tie Felix Kwachofo so say Samejam apology no na ka and a mama a reprimand no imposing a formal reprimand. Samejam nya mienu we public apology, formal reprimand. Requesting the minister's resignation, suspending the minister, or terminating his appointment. And the Kokwa say we breach was saying it, and there's a Samedian video and apology in the buy, and a formal reprimand and also buy. Beyond that, you bet me, I'm not resigning. You bet me, suspend, you bet me in the day. President Mahama options of our immunity kind. So that is also found in the Code of Conduct, Section 6.
This is not an offense.
Oh yes.
And yeah, criminal offense.
Yeah.
And then some flouting any laws of your banking and your monetary policies I war and now monetary laws say Bank of Ghana say ultimately still he's free account mu so dollar account you show butumti enye bonese or the would butum.
Yeah.
And so I think that the other side of suspension and termination are not relevant at this point because any our flouting law. Yeah.
And I go me to me no say me recommend say suspension I'm okay. This is a sackable offense in my view no. And just sackable, just that we all need to learn the lessons. And I go na make no obetumi our private money. About public office and any kind of corruption perception index. Akokwa kra be nchire fe no akotoka. Ba akokwa wo use card da. Ba nipa no tie chire no ba dwen so ba code bi da ha akona me. Yes. And Ghana so do onima wo musa obe speculate. So that will be that for this week akokwa.
Eugene say to the fact checker Eugene da say.